You're on film.
Man, am I hungry. So what's the prognosis, Doc?
Well, according to the MRI, you probably don't have a concussion, but there are some abnormalities.
Abnormalities?
There are some unusual spots in your brain that you might have to investigate further.
I'm completely okay with that.
How have you been feeling emotionally lately?
Depressed.
Have you had any other unusual symptoms?
Well, the other day when I fell, it was just like I didn't have any control over my body. It's just turned me into the state of myself.
So you've had a loss of importance.
Yes, basically.
Is beef a part of your diet?
Yes, 3 to 7 times a week.
Well, there's a very slight chance that you might have a rare disease called mad cow disease. It's a disease that works like this. The disease focuses around a protein called a prion. This is a normal, healthy prion. When a person has mad cow disease, it means that they have ingested a mutant prion from contaminated beef. This is a mutant prion. If a mutant prion comes in contact with a normal, healthy prion, the normal prion will mutate.
The lysosomes in the nerve cell try to get rid of the mutant proteins in the cell and engulf them. However, these mutated prions cannot be digested by the lysosomes. The mutant prions also cannot be killed by cooking, freezing, or disinfectants. As the lysosome cannot break down the prions, they accumulate in the cell until it eventually bursts, and the cell is killed. The mutated prions are released and begin to infect more nerve cells.
Because the lysosomes can't break down the mutant prions, they accumulate in the cell and go crazy. So that's the basics of mad cow disease. The more advanced the disease becomes, you will start to experience dementia and loss of your brain functions. Because the accumulation of mutant prions causes the nerve cells to burst, it creates large holes in your brain. Only 1 in a million people get mad cow disease, and they are usually dead within 13 months of onset symptoms. However, after you eat the beef, symptoms sometimes don't occur for up to 2 years after ingestion of the mutated prion. Unfortunately, there is no treatment for this disease whatsoever.
You're kidding. I see a light, man. I see a light.
Don't go into the light.
No, but it's calling to me.
No, don't do it.
Pull the plug, Doc.
No!
Pull the plug, I can't do this
No!
anymore. Shh. Tell my wife.
Mad cow disease actually originates from a disease called scrappies, which affects sheep. This disease also involves prions. A prion is a protein particle. These particles can misfold or mutate and cause other proteins to misfold or mutate on contact, especially in nerve tissue. They are the infectious agent in mad cow disease and scrappies. So now we have cows. The mutant pathogenic prions would be transmitted from sheep infected with scrappies to cows through food. Farmers used to feed cows food that would contain ground up bits of sheep and sheep bone. So if a cow ate food that contained bits of sheep and sheep bone that were contaminated with scrappies, the mutant prions would infect the cow and cause the cow's prions and proteins to mutate, which would give birth to mad cow disease. Because the lysosomes can't break down the mutant prions, they just accumulate in the cell and go crazy. The disease focuses around a dang it, I said a prion. Dang it. Right.